Hello, let's do the New York Times Hard Sudoku for May 11th, 2024. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. Okay, so let's see. We've got the 5 and the 6, no matches. So the 3s, look into this box, putting a 3 in one of these two. Okay, I'm actually really curious about this looking in here. We've got the 1, 2, 3 already, so it's just the 5, 9. Oh, but that is very helpful. So notice how we have this 5, 9 looking into this box and this 5, 9 looking in. And this 2, 1 is not 5, 9. So this box has only 2 places for 5, 9. That's a hidden pair. So these cells are going to be 5, 9 only. There's not much else looking into this box. I don't think I'm going to bother looking at the center marks for the rest. Let's see. So that does mean that the 5 and the 9 have buddies. So the 5 and this 5 match up. This 5 looks in, so there's a 5 in one of these two cells, and then the 9s do the same thing to this box, putting a 9 in one of these two, and we find a hidden 3, 9 pair as well. Very nice. Lots of hidden pairs so far. All right, did I miss anything? Well, now this 4 looks in, and the 4 can't be here anymore because of the hidden 3, 9 pair. This 4 looks in, that places the 4 in the box, which places the 4 in this box as well. Very cool. This triple I definitely want to know about. It is a 5, 7, 8. That's not 8, that's not 5. Okay. Anything else to do here? Now I want to look at this triple. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 6, 7, 8. I'm just going to mark that. I know it's just all 6, 7, 8, but I just kind of want this box marked up at this point. What are these 4 digits? Just to check, we need a 1, 2, 7, 8. Oh, the 7s look up. I didn't notice that yet. And this can't be 7 because of the hidden 3, 9 pair. So the 7 gets placed there. That's not 7. It puts a 7 in one of these two cells. And of course, we know the 7 is part of this 5, 7, 8 triple. I'm going to look at what this triple is as well. We need a 1, 2, and 8. No, not 8. 1, 2, and 6. Ah, so this can't be 6. This is only 1, 2. It does mean the 6 is up here. This is a 1, 2, 6 in general. And so if the 6 is up here, that points over, saying these can't be 6, because the 6 is over here. It's not going to be over here. So these are not 6, which puts the 6 here. All right. Lots of progress. This is also 1, 2, 6 for the row. It's not a 6. And then in general for the box, we need 1, 2, and something 8. It's not a 2. Might as well do this column while I'm at it. We need the 1, 5, and 8. Okay, that's not 8. Well, that was quite fruitful in that top band. I think that's all we're getting out of it, though. So let's move on to the next band. We have these two 3s looking in. This 3 looks down. This 3 looks in. So it places the 3 there. Nothing else matches up. Is there anything else I can do here? I'm seeing things that almost work. I'm kind of just looking at how stuff is looking into these boxes, but I think they're just too sparse at the moment. I'm curious about this column while I'm looking at it. They need 1, 7, 8. Okay. Oops, I did not mean. I meant to be in center mark mode. 1, 7, 8. I did get a question earlier about the red markings. They only tell you about trivial stuff like, hey, you repeated the 3. It's not like if I can put multiple digits in here, like the 2 or the 4. It doesn't turn red. It's not based on the solution. It's only based on what I've placed on the grid so far. And so if I made a mistake and placed the wrong thing, it's going to give me red marks based on that wrong thing. Okay, so it's kind of like doing it on paper with a little bit of bonus, but it's not something that's like looking way ahead and seeing what the answer is. Something I just noticed about this box while I was glancing up and doing my arm motion is that 2 did get limited to these 2 cells. So that's going to point down into this box along with this 2, putting a 2 over here, not at the bottom. Okay. I don't think there's anything else to do here. So I'm going to move on to this bottom band, which looks pretty juicy, to be honest. I am noticing this 7, 9 immediately looking in here. You know, what's interesting about that is we also have this 1, 3 looking down. They're kind of having to share the space. Okay, what space is being shared here? So 7, 9 go here. Well, okay, first of all, we do have these 2 3s looking down, so let's mark the 3s. There's something interesting about this 7, 9, and this 1, 3, but I can't quite place it. Maybe it's not quite interesting enough. Yeah, I don't think it's quite interesting enough. It's still cool, but I don't think it does anything. Let's look for repeated digits here. We've got the 5, 6, and 8. So the 8s repeat. That puts an 8 up here. Nothing from 5, 6, 2, 4, 7. No. Okay. So surprisingly, that's only repeat. This row is down to 3 digits. So let's look at that. We need the 1. We have the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need 7 and 9. So this cell can't be 1 or 9 just by happenstance of these digits. So it can only be the 7. So then that makes that a 1. We get the 8 and the 7 up here. This is the 8. Let's clean all this up. This is our 5, 1, and 8. That can't be 8 anymore. So that's now a 1, 2 pair. Let's clean this up. This is the 9 and the 1. Okay, that was a lot. So let's be careful about following up on what we just got here. I'm noticing this 4 looking in. These aren't 4, so there's a 4 over here. This 7 looking in here and the 9. Oh, we have the 9 already, but the 7 looking in does put a 7 in one of these two. So the 9 got placed. I remember I had this 1, 3. Okay, so the 1 looking down, this 1 looking in does put 1 in one of these two. So what's this cell? It's not the 1, 3, or 7. So it could be 2. It's not 3. It could be 4. It's not 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What else do I want to do here? I want to look at these boxes. So I need the 3, 6, 8, 9. We know the 8's up here. So these are 3, 6, 9. I think at this point maybe I will mark that. These I'm not going to mark. They're all of them. Over here, what do we need? We need the 2, 4, 5, 6. We know the 2's in one of these two. So that makes these 4, 5, 6. It's not 5. 2, 4, 5, 6. These can be anything. All right. I think I'm going to look vertically now. I think there might still be some low-hanging fruit there, although I found a lot of it already, I think. We do have these 2 9s. This 9 looks in, so 9's over here. Nothing from the 1, 3, 3, 4, 9. Okay, so how about over here? I think I did this vertical already. I don't think there's much more to find there. Except this 5. We do have this 5 looking down. That puts a 5 in one of these two. Yeah, I think that's it for that. How about over here? 8 and 1. So the 1 looking down just put a... Oh, the 1 is placed in this box. That's quite nice. I missed that somehow. The 2, we have 3, 8, 1, 8, 7. Okay, the 7 looking in. This 7 looks in. That places the 7 in this box. Follow up on that. Looking to the left, there's a 7 in one of these two. Now, I notice these 7 line up. That indicates that we have claiming in the column they're not in. So in this column, the 7 is actually a hidden single. There's only one cell in this whole column that can be 7. Can't be any of these, right? This 7 says not here. These 2 7s say not here. And this 7 says not here. So 7 can be placed in the column, which places the 5 in the box. Also places the 8. So this whole triple resolves, basically. The 8s now look in along with this 8, placing the 8, which places the 7. That places this 7 as well. 7s are actually done. These 8s look in, placing this 8, which places the 2, which places the 4, and this 8. This is 3, 6, or 9. It's not 9, so it's 3, 6. Oopsie. 3, 6. This pair is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 5 and 6. So this can't be 6 as a result. All right, this is 2, 4, 6. It's not a 2, so it's 4, 6. All right, I just got a bunch of stuff. Let's make sure I got everything out of that. The 5 I didn't follow up on. So we can actually place the 5 in this box, which gives us the 6 and the 5, gives us this 4, 2, and 6. Very nice. All right, this 2 looks right, giving us this 2. So this is from 4, 5, 6 now. What are these? We know the 1 is here and the 3 is here. What's the last digit? 4. So the 4 is placed here because of this 4. That's 4, gives us the 1 and the 3. Gives us the 2 and the 1 here. We do it in the corner because we placed a 3 there. That's a 9, that's a 6, that's a 3, that's a 4. We get the 2 and the 1, the 3 and the 9. I think we're done. This is a 6, gives us the 5 and the 6, the 9 and the 5. In here, we need a 4, and we need a 9. Gives us this 9. Last two digits are 2 and 6, and we're done. Very nice. Yeah, I think finding this hidden 5-9 pair early gave us a huge head start on the puzzle. We got a lot out of the top band only because we found that hidden 5-9. It did quite a bit. It gave us this hidden 9-3 as well. So finding this hidden 5-9, which gives you the hidden 3-9, which then basically gives you the whole band right at the start. That was quite nice. We had quite a few filled columns here. Look at these columns that are mostly filled, which helped a lot as well. It was interesting how this 7-9 looked in and how this 1-3 looked in. Cool. Well, yeah, some cool stuff in this puzzle. I think the hidden 7 in this column was a good spot as well. We marked the 7s here, which forced the 7 in this column to be way up here. So yeah, cool. Well, let me know how you did. And if you enjoyed this, why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.